Artists, today we are going to be making a plate, and our plate is going to be divided up into the proportions of food that we should be eating each and every day. So at your drive-through, you're going to grab a plate and one of each color paper. At your table spot, you're going to see these shapes that are labeled fruit, veggie, grain, and protein. And do you notice how they're colored with these different colors? You need to trace the shape that matches the color. So using a pencil, I go around the shape to trace it out. Now my hope is that I have one of each. When I eat my meal each day, I should have a little bit of each of these food groups so that my body is healthy and happy. When I have traced around each of those shapes, I am going to cut along the pencil line. After I have all of these shapes cut out, 1, 2, 3, 4, these scraps are going to go to the trash. Then I'm ready to start gluing these shapes onto my plate. Now, these shapes should work together to make a perfect circle, just like the shape of my plate. So you might have to kind of rearrange them so that they fit together. I noticed that the orange, the grains side, is the biggest. So I'm guessing it probably needs to go with the smallest one, which is fruit. That looks pretty good. I'm ready to glue. I'm going to use 3 dots of glue, 1 for each corner, making sure that my glue is not any bigger than my pinky fingernail. I'm going to line it up on my plate, press down, and count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If I get a little glue on my hand, all I have to do is rub my hands together and the glue will come right off. My plate is almost finished. What I need to do last is write my name and class code on the back, Mrs. C, and my class code. On the other side, I would like you to label. That means to write what each of these shapes mean. So I know that purple stands for protein. If I don't know how to spell protein, I can look at it right on my shape. Green stands for veggie. Orange is grain. And red is fruit. My plate is done. I'm going to take my healthy plate home with me today.